Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanmal here. Under the bright sun, yes, we have window to fly RC planes. I'm holding something which I'm basically not a fan of. This is a 3D aerobatics RC plane from a Volantex RC, Volantex Saber. As I said, I'm not a fan of 3D planes and I'm not skilled to perform 3D aerobatics on RC planes. But I'll give it a try. I will try to hover it. I'll try to pull some ugly rolls and loops and something, whatever I can do, to see how this Volantex RC Saber actually flies and if it has a good 3D performance or not. Well, again, you won't be able to judge if it has a good 3D performance because I don't have skills to do proper airplane 3D. So I can only fly it simply and pull some simple aerobatics. And we'll see how it behaves and how it performs. So let's get ready. But before that, do remember to hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon so you stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. I got this PNP. That means I didn't have to prepare it. I just had to assemble it. Assembly was very little and very simple. Now the plane is ready. I did the sticker job all by myself, not as they suggested because the stickers were too big and they were just, destroying themselves. So I did something with the stickers provided. Now let's fly it and have some fun with it. Okay, the Saber is ready. I still have to set the trims because it's very first flight. I'm flying it with a Zob Power 11.1 volt 1500 milliamp battery, a same battery that exploded today in my house while I was charging. I hope it will not explode in this plane. I don't know why they recommend 1800 milliamp battery because that will make this plane very nose heavy, and basically you need to keep 3D planes slightly tail heavy. Anyway, so here we go. Let's see how it flies. Take off anywhere because ooh, I took off. I'm keeping it slightly tail heavy actually, so that nose is always pitching up. Let's hover it. That's my ugliest hover. All right, hold on. I still need much more power to hover it actually. And I'm gonna crash it for sure because I told you I don't have skills. Look at that, I'm hovering, people. Yeah. All right, almost crashed. I'm trying to control the hover by having difficult time. I find I don't have much throws on the elevator as well, so I'm having difficult time to put it in the hover. Okay, rolls are nice and agile. Rolls are nice and agile. Can I fly it inverted? I will try it, hold on. Man, I told you I gotta get a lot of 3D practice. Oh, watch out the fence, watch out the fence. I've crashed 1 or 2 planes in this fence. It has plenty of power actually on 3S battery only, but I'm having difficult time hovering it. It has to do something with my terrible 3D skills or aerobatic skills on the RC airplanes. But I'll say that the flight performance is pretty stable. I'm learning. I'm learning to control the hover at a very high altitude hover. Ah, out of control, stalled it. Got it, hold on. Man, the rudder response is really nice. The way it turns on rudder so fast, so quick. So far, no crashes, people. That was an ugly roll going up there. And if you want to see an ugly roll again, oh no, ugly inverted. This is my inverted flying skill in action now. Holy moly, I can control in an inverted. Look at that. Holy belugi. Holy belugi, look at that move, man. I got the skills, people. I got the skills. Look at that ugly roll again. And I don't know what kind of move was that. I haven't invented a name for that. Hover, people, hover, 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 hover. Yes, look at that. That is a successful hover right there, people. I'm getting the hang of it. Don't go up. Don't go up, just stay here. I am mashing the sticks to hover it. All right, that was nice, man. That was nice. I'm getting some skills here. On 3S 1500 milliamp, we are still flying. The ED art is coming back. Arish, can you tell that guy not to ride in the runway, please, in Chinese? I will try to do a knife edge. I will try to do a knife edge. Oh, I'm trying to pull a knife edge. Look, that's a knife edge for a few seconds. Yes, I did it. All right, let's try it again. It's coming. Hadi, don't go to the runway. You don't be an idiot now. So here we go, and I will try to pull a knife edge again. Ready? Oh! almost lost it. Let's do the knife edge at high altitude only. Man, my skills are one of the worst for 3D airplanes. Yes, I'm trying to learn. You see, I'm trying to hover it. And here comes inverted. Almost crashed. And I am doing a very good inverted here, people. Upside down. I'm trying to do inverted figure 8. So far, so good. So far, so good. Inverted figure 8. Man, this plane has some good performance for 3D. It's just that my 3D skills really not good, so excuse with that. But this plane is actually doing very well, and I gotta give it to this plane that is actually standing up for my terrible skills here. I'm trying to hover it closer to me and having difficult time. Okay, don't crash it, don't crash it. Let's land it because I'm feeling my throttle is getting numb and I don't want that goddamn Zope power to blast in my beautiful Volantex Saber again. That was a bad landing. Let's do a smooth landing, please. Look at that agile turn right there. I pulled some more aerobatics for the last of the battery. What if I keep flying? Will the battery explode inside? There is a no-no. Never ever in my life I'm gonna buy a Zob Power again. People, never in my life, trust me. Smooth landing, smooth like butter.
Burger?
Butter, not burger. Here comes the plane, watch the propeller. And nice parking. Battery. This is a Zob Power 30C 1500 milliamp battery. I was charging, I had two of these. I was charging one of these in my home, and then I heard a hissing sound. I thought there's a snake in my room, and I was like, there's no way a snake can be in my room. And then I saw one of the battery cell was bloated real big, so I disconnected it. I carried it this way to the bathroom, and by the time I put it on the floor, it was already smoking. I ran, grabbed my camera, and then this happened. And here it goes. What was that? 3 big. All right, so, hey, who put my Skywalker at the field?
Hadi?
Hadi, it's not even ready. Skeleton, get up and bring it back so we can make the plane ready. All right, back to conclusion. Yes, honestly speaking, I do not have 3D skills. In RC planes, I do have some basic aerobatic skills, and those basic aerobatics I pulled. And with my really poor 3D skills, the way this plane actually tolerated me, that's what I should say, stood up for my poor aerobatic skills. That shows that this plane has a good design. This plane has good capabilities to pull some sweet 3D, given that you know how to do that. Having said that, I believe Volantex RC Saber is gonna stay with me for a while, because I would like to practice a bit of aerobatics on RC planes, especially 3D RC planes. It's something different taste than flying FPV planes and FPV quads. This is something different. Thank you very much, Volantex RC. This is absolutely a nice product right here. Those who have skills in 3D aerobatics on RC planes, you're gonna pull some good 3D on this plane. Well, I gotta order some good quality batteries, possibly 1800 milliamp 3S, and back to some more aerobatics practice on fixed wing. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.